Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sheila Lavanya. Today in this presentation, I'm gonna talk about the impact of technological growth on economic performance in Indonesia. First of all, I will explain about technological growth, and I'll be continue by giving discussion about technological growth analysis in Indonesia, and the last I'll giving conclusion and recommendation. Did you know what is technological growth? Technological growth can be interpreted as invention and innovation. Invention are defined as new ideas, while innovation is the implementation of the ideas. In 2012, Indonesia's economic growth is quite high at 6.23%. Medium-term development plan 2010 until 2014, where economic growth target is set at 6.3 to 6.8%. Open unemployment in Indonesia in 2012 is 6.14%, while the poverty rate reached 11.66%. To estimate the contribution of technology on economic growth in Indonesia, the Central Statistic Agency using TFP method. TFP, or Total Factor Productivity, is identified as contribution of technology to economic growth beyond the contribution of the labor and capital. There are three models to find out the impact of technological growth on economic performance in Indonesia, which are the unemployment, the economic growth, and the poverty. Next, I'd like to talk about the result. The result of this research are induced technological growth reduce economic growth that actually occurs. Average contribution of the capital growth to economic growth in each period showed a meaningful role. This indicates that its growth has a significant contribution to economic growth, which will occur. There are the impact of technological growth on economic growth. Technological growth has a significant positive effect on Indonesian economic growth. This can be seen in this table. This means that 1% increase in technological growth result in about 0.5% in the economic growth. The high economic is expected to bring down unemployment to a lower level. The second is the impact of technological growth on unemployment. Based on the best regression model found that technological growth was a significantly positive effect on unemployment. Every 1% increase in technological growth will increase unemployment by 0.74%. The last impact of technological growth is on poverty. Based on the table, it was found that technological growth didn't have a significant impact on poverty, but has a positive direction on poverty. This happens because the Indonesian people haven't been able to accept and follow technology development, and also have a low quality human research. The industrial is one example of technology implementation. Before technology being implemented in this sector, it used more manpower, but as technology applied, industry used more machines. This process resulted from massive layoff, increased unemployment, and poverty. The next slide is conclusion. So, the point are technological growth affected the performance of the Indonesian economy as measured by economic growth, unemployment, and poverty. The existence of technology growth significant in spurring economic growth in Indonesia, but on the other hand actually changed the composition of labor and increasing unemployment. It could worsen poverty in Indonesia if we can't increase the skill of labor and entire human research. The another suggestion is the government should make a policy to protect domestic technology improvement. The example are encourage people to use a local product such as vehicles and electricity produced by national companies. This reference is From Harry Ferdinand, The Impact of Technological Growth on Economic Performance in Indonesia, Economic Journal of Emerging Market. Well, that's all I've got to say for the presentation. Thank you for listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.